In this video I'm going to show you the design of the third Horus Hippo poster, and it's this one. This is the Dutch version. It's called Kwap in IJspret, and the English version for the UK distribution is called Horus Hippo Winter Fun. And this is printed in two colors, so orange and black. And in those days they printed in two colors, to save money. So I'm just going to show you the design of this poster. In 2000 I made a set of postcards of the posters, and I had the first poster, and I also made a postcard of Kwap in IJspret, or the English version is Horus Hippo Winter Fun. And I was looking at the original files or the original drawings, and the only thing I could find was this sketch of the poster. I did it in non-repro blue, and then I inked it on another sheet of paper, and this is A3 paper. So I couldn't scan it in. I just decided to, make a picture with my iPhone of this card and retrace it or re-ink it in Procreate. So I sent the picture to my iPad and imported it into the Procreate file. For all the posters I used the same format, 84 centimeters by 118.8 centimeters at 250 dpi. This is large enough to use as a poster file for Redbubble. The layer with the picture of the postcard is set to 15% transparency. Then I created a new layer to do the inks. I inked everything with my custom ink brush called Stayf Ink Sable. It's part of my Stayf comic ink brush set that's available on Gumroad. I'll leave a link in the description. It's a smoother ink brush and with thick and thin lines. When you press harder, you get a thicker stroke. Back in the day, the artist inked either with a crowquill pen or with a sable brush. I try to follow the original as much as possible while inking. In this animation short, Horus Hippo tries to impress Horus Hippo, but his rival Cane Crook tries to steal the show. Horus Hippo is standing in a little wooden shed and sells koek and zopie. In the 1920s, that is what the Dutch would drink and eat in winter. Koek is cookie, and zopie is an alcoholic drink which has beer, rum, cinnamon, eggs and cloves in it. It was a hot drink, great to keep warm. It's a bit similar to eggnog. You could also get hot chocolate. Then I wanted to approach the two-color print of the poster. The colors were black and orange. On a new layer I painted the parts that needed to be orange. On another layer I first created a light gray color, and with the halftone filter in Procreate I created a halftone light gray. When you lay that over an orange, you will get a dark orange. I created another layer with 20% of orange for the shed, and made it into a halftone as well. When you lay a black halftone over an orange halftone, you get a light brown color. Then I imported an old weathered paper on the top layer and set it to multiply for a vintage look. On the left I signed it with MH, that stands for Marinus Hollanders, my grandfather. After I finished the Dutch poster, I duplicated the Procreate file for the English version. I erased the Dutch titles, and on a new layer I created the English title Horus Hippo in Winter Fun. For the titles I used an Art Deco font and then inked them by hand. This poster is now available on Redbubble as a poster and many other products. I'll leave a link below this video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you like it, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, and don't forget to hit that notification bell, because each time I upload a new video, you get a notification. Drawing is fun, and practice makes perfect. See you next time. Doodles!